Do you think I'm pretty?
Just about the prettiest girl that's ever walked this earth.
Yeah.
And that's what I thought when I first saw you.
That was 5 years ago. I'm 29 now, and I feel... I don't know.
You're still just as beautiful as you were then.
Ah, of course you would say that now.
I mean it.
No, I know you. You're just saying that because you're hoping to get laid again. That's all.
I'm saying it because I love you.
I know. And I wish I could just not think about it. But
Think about what?
you will not understand.
Try me.
It's stupid. I feel like such an idiot, and I hate myself for it. But it's there, all the time. This inner voice trying to change who I am. I try to stop it. I try. But it always comes back, and I do it again and again.
You can talk to me about it.
I can't, really. It doesn't matter. Just worrying about nothing, I guess. You know what I'm like.
I do. And I can see there's something you're not telling me.
You will. You're not gonna like this. Let's just leave it.
I'm here for you, Ivy. Just say what it is.
Okay? I've been making myself sick,
What?
and I'm so sorry. I don't wanna do this, but it's so easy. Just stick fingers down my throat so I can look in the mirror again and like what I see.
But why?
Because I'm a woman. I want to be beautiful again, Joe.
You are beautiful.
Please.
Has someone said something mean to you again? You know you shouldn't be listening to those assholes.
But it's everywhere, Joe. Those women on TV and in the magazines. Why can't I be like them?
But you're not even fat.
I'm size 12, Joe. 12.
Promise me you'll never do it again.
That's why I've told you. So I could stop.
I'll help you. You'll just have to talk to me whenever you feel like doing it again. We can beat this shit together, Ives.
Are you mad at me?
No. I love you, Ivy. I could never be mad at you.
Hey, we should get a cat.
We should totally get a cat.
I thought you hated cats.
I never said that. It's a little unexpected, but okay. A cat. Why the hell not? Maybe a random happy distraction is what we need around here. Just not one of those bald little fuckers.
It will be black as night with eyes like 2 shiny emeralds.
And it will stink.
And purr.
And scratch.
And we'll cuddle it tight every time we feel sad.
Poor cat.
What will we name him?
Him? Midnight?
We're getting close. But that's not it.
Shadow.
Not for a cat. A horse, maybe.
Lucifer.
Lucifer. Lucifer. Lucifer. Yes, that's good. I mean, it's bad, but it's good. You know what I mean? I like it.
So that's settled then. Maybe I'll ask this crazy lady next door if she has any kittens. You know how there's always plenty of cats around there.
Awesome. Joe?
Yeah?
I love you.
No. This is not fucking happening. Help! Help! Let me out! Is there anyone there?
There's no one out there, Joe.
You might as well give up now.
It's easier that way.
Who are you?
It's been so long.
You've forgotten their names long ago.
It all just doesn't matter when you're dead.
All there is left.
He's watching
And waiting.
Watching
and waiting.
Watching.
and waiting.
How do you know my name?
The maggots told us.
They told us all about you.
Maggots that look like people.
But you mustn't trust them.
Because they're maggots.
All they want is to.
All that maggots want is
To eat your fucking brain, Joe.
funny fellas, them maggots.
Where am I?
This place has many names.
Some call it the void.
Some call it the grave.
Some call it 6 feet under.
And some call it the tomb.
But we like to call it.
Wait for it, Joe.
The paradise.
Of the rotten.
Flesh.
You're just a voice in my head. Go to hell. I don't have to listen to your lies. And you're not even there. It's all in my mind.
But Joe,
If the voice inside your head is you,
Who was the one listening to it?
you know very well what it is, Joe.
the only way out of here.
The only escape.
The question is,
Are you man enough to do it?
Do you have the balls?
will you do what you've gotta do?
Didn't I tell you to fuck off?
Only trying to help, bud.
We're the good corpses.
The only friends you've got.
One pull of a trigger, and it's all over.
It'll only hurt for a second.
Be in charge of your own destiny.
You could never have won that battle anyway.
It was lost from the start.
All there's left is to do the right thing and save your face.
Not that there'll be much of it left if you do fire that gun.
Don't worry, Mr. Moose. Everything's gonna be just fine. I'm locked in? Who is it? The door's locked and I don't have a key. So please go away, yeah? I'm calling the police. Whoever you are, go away. Okay, don't panic, Agnes. We need to get out of here. Fast. Right. Please excuse me, Mr. Moose. Whoops. The key's in the ignition. Lucky me. Maybe. If I put something heavy on the gas pedal, the car would break through the fence. Genius. Not that way, you stupid car.